Well, hello there. So welcome to my new video in Learn with Mbonisi, or Learn Python Programming with Mbonisi. So it's kind of like new since I'm learning it. So let me just show you. In order to create a file, a project, you just have to click where it says create project, right? Then okay, we just name it whatever we want. Maybe let's just say Python project 1, right? Then we do not make any changes here. So you just click where it says create, right? Then I'm going to use this window and let me wait for it. So creating virtual environment, okay, it's going to take a while. Yeah, okay, so updating. Okay, then I have to wrap this off. Then I just minimize my project. Then we start. Let me just skip some few lines and make it on center. So let me just increase some font size by just clicking Alt Shift and the dot full stop. Okay, just like this. So okay, so first of all, what we need to do is we want to create a variable called name. Okay, you can just give it any name which you want since it is a name. So name, right? That's a variable. Now we want to take an input from the screen. Exactly. In Python programming, it's just like more like close to simple English. So you just say equals to, then that means equal sign. That in programming, you know, equal sign means we want to assign a certain value which is on the right hand side to the left hand side, right? Yeah, so that means every value which is captured by input is going to be stored in name. Okay, then you put some brackets here, then you put some quotation since we want to print a text to the name. So it will say, what is your name? Just like that. Then the user will be prompted a message on the screen and he or she have to enter the information. So after that, what do you want to do? We want to greet the user, right? Yeah, so we just use print. So we just type print something to the screen, right? Yes, that's all. Then put this one. Now we want to print a text, right? So we're going to use these quotations, right? Then we're going to say hi there, just like this. Then we put a space. Then we want to print the user's name, right? So that the person will just feel welcome, just like me. If you commented on my video and they say blah 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 blah, then I will just give a name and you just feel good, you know. So what you need to do, right, is add the string of text with the string which is stored in the name variable. So we just say name. So what is going to happen, right? Okay, my computer is a bit slow. The program will print hi then, and is going to print whatever it is contained here, right? Yeah, but now for you to run this program, you have to click on run. Then the program will just pop up below here and you do write the text. So what is your name? Then you click on the space. Then I call my name is Mbonisi. Then I'm going to press enter. Then the program will just greet me, hi there Mbonisi, right? Yeah, so this is how you create a program in Python where it is going to ask for the user's input and then it's going to print output to the screen. Cheers guys, bye for now.